Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the Paybox application for iPhone. First thing you want to do is go into your App Store. You want to search for Paybox, right? You want to select this Paybox entry here. You want to install it. We already have it installed on this device, so we're going to switch over to that now. We are currently connected to 6 devices. We're going to choose the Paybox Corporate. We are priced for 5 minutes, but we're going to increase our time to 60 minutes. We will get our new price. We will enter in our prepaid code. Click Charge Prepaid. And payment was successful. The beeping you hear is the device turning on and will run for 60 minutes. Thank you.